Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2015 MOFFETT M8 55.3 showing 1944 hours. Completely refurbished, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is kind of rare. It's got yourself a 12-foot mast. Now that's pretty hard to find in these later models after 2011 or so. That's pretty difficult. Even 2007 they started not ordering them that way. So you got a rare bird here. It also has your lumbar forks, that's extra special, and a backrest. Now you have excellent tires all the way around. They're new or almost brand new, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that deep rubber there. This thing's been completely repainted. What we do here is when we repaint these, we take off mainly these gray covers. You can see that hydraulic manifold cover, the battery cover. You can see like this cover's been removed, the diamond plating, even this hook here, the seat, got a brand new seat, ladies and gentlemen. What we do is the roll cage comes off. You can see new bolts there. And then what we do is take off this back door, take off the hood, and then we repaint it separately. The gray is painted separately. Now take a look. This here, ladies and gentlemen, got your Kohler engine there. That's tier 4. You got date coated filters, new fluid. Now look, we paint way up in there. We take these things way apart. Now our competitors are not doing that. Most of them are not doing that, ladies and gentlemen. I can't speak for everybody, but I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed when you come here. Take a look, like even your grill, we took that off, repainted that. We're going to go on top here, ladies and gentlemen. This engine is guaranteed by us for 30 days. Now, on top of that, we're going to give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that simply means is it's going to be the condition I'm showing you here today, or we're going to back you up, help you get it fixed. Now, that's over once it gets going. But ladies and gentlemen, this engine is backed up for 30 more days. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we also pressure and leak test your hydraulic system. Make sure you don't have any leaks. We find any bad hoses. We find any cylinders, wheel motors, or your hydraulic pumps weak. We take care of that, ladies and gentlemen. Same way with wearable parts, pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, anything of that matter, ladies and gentlemen, is taken care of. Now, we're going to give you a special treat. We're going to fire up this Kohler engine. We're going to give you a little bit of operational, and then we're going to end the video. Now, your engine comes alive purring like a kitten. Here's your mass going up and down. Here's your tilt. Now we're going to show you the side shift. Now we're going to show you the mass going in and out. Now we're going to show you outriggers. Now we're going to go ahead and do a figure 8, show you how nice she steers. This thing gets yourself a guaranteed engine and an operational guarantee. Why even buy new? Look how nice and tight she turns. Everything runs nicely in sync. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Once again, 260-238-4998. Or you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to wish you a really blessed day.